Hello guys. I announced it in my channel in community that I have got this Dremel tool. This is my first electric equipment here in my garage, and now I am showing you what were the main issues to make this tool work properly here in my country, and how I solved this problem. At first, this is a 30-piece Dremel 400 tool. Uh, Here is how it looks, the box and what is inside. Here you can see that it has some Dremel accessories, but not enough, I think, but they can be found easily separately. For me, in this situation, it was mandatory to own this tool. These are some of the accessories, but I don't know now for what they are supposed to be, but I will do this clearly if I need them. Guys, I paid 75 US dollars for this kit, and I think this is great price for it. These are the main tools which came with this Dremel. Here are the cut discs, grinders, the tools to attach these accessories, all the Dremel itself, and other solutions. Everything is quite easy to understand, and to work with them is not difficult at all. So guys, now I will show you the tool itself. This is solid tool. This is made in Mexico. Today Dremel belongs to the Bosch group, and I respect this fact very much. This has the variable speed, adjustable speed. It can be hanged on the wall. Once again, this is Dremel 400, and this is made for the US market, made in Mexico. The tool itself is the combination of the rubber and plastic, enough heavy in your hand, and I like this. But here you can see the markings, and this was the main problem, because this is supposed to work on the US electrical systems, which is less than European standard. We have here 220, and USA has 1 and 10, and this voltage and wattage is very different. So if I plug now this Dremel without any converters here in my source, electrical source, I will destroy this tool. So I have to looking for some solutions, and now I show you what have I picked and how I solved this problem. I mean, convert US standard electrical circuit to the European analog. So guys, that's why I have bought this step up and down transformer. This is Diamond series DS500. It can be easily obtained on the Amazon.com, and I think that it will make my Dremel work properly on the highest range, even in my local electric circuit. Now I will open this box and show you what is inside. So guys, this is the solution I have got here out of the box now. Diamond series DS500. So this is transformer which converts the electrical circuit from 220 to 110, and from 110 to 220. Here you can see how it looks from the front. This is enough heavy box, about 3 kilos. This is made in China, but this is made quite good. The quality of the equipment is very good. And here it also has a switch which must be installed properly before you plug it to the electrical circuit, and also it has fuses which secures this device from negative results. You know, electricity needs much safety. So now guys, I will put this converter to the electrical circuit, and also I will plug the Dremel tool to it and show you how it will cover all the highest RPM range which my Dremel offers me to work in with some applications. So now let's try to plug in everything and see what will be the final result. So my friends, now the device is plugged, and also let's now put Dremel in the working position, plug it to the device, and then turn on two of these devices and see what will we get in the finally. I was a little skeptical about this converter, but I spoke to the manufacturer, and they said that and confirmed that this device will cover whole my Dremel tool, and that's why I picked it. I bought it about 40. I paid about $49 for it, and once again, this device can be easily found on the Amazon.com. So guys, I plugged Dremel. Now let's turn on the device. The red light is on, and now let's switch the Dremel and see the result. And here you can see the guys that it works. It works without any problem, and if we adjust speed on the highest range, it also works very good. Without any problem. So this CS500 is compatible with my Dremel 4000, and the combination we have got here is superb. Without any problem, this device covers my Dremel hole. Now guys, I will demonstrate you what this Dremel tool can, and we'll do a little test about its grinding and cutting abilities. So my friends, here I have the regular shaft which is welded here in the middle, and now let's see how the Dremel will allow me to grind this shaft and make it even smooth. and it works pretty good, especially in this situation when I am at first time using this tool, and I'm trying not to run it on the highest RPM. Even in this range it grinds this welding very good. Now guys, let's try to remove some rust or some scratches from the metal itself. For this I will grab my old and ugly custom-made wrench, which I made for working on shock absorbers on my Mercedes, and we'll try to make it look much more better. Here you can see it is rusted here because chrome plating is removed, and now let's make it look better. And yes, this tool really works with this converter. So guys, the result is of course better than it was. And now let's try how it will grind the wood. I have here in my garage some of the wood pieces, and let's find out. I think that it will also grab and grind the wood without any problems, even better compared to the metal. So this is a dusty work now, and I will try later. Here you can see. Even on the mid-range RPM, it works very good. And at last guys, I will now try to demonstrate the final cutting abilities of this tool. Now look at the video. I will not speak anymore. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.